Hello everyone friends, on the Kala of the Valar. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for SoundCloud. Go to the browser, write SoundCloud here, go to the website. So I'll log out of my account and click on the Create Account button. Here we can create through the service and I will create through an email address. Well, here's one of my addresses for the video. Here we come up with a password, click next, write here the year of your birth, your stature and nickname. And click next. The device is verified and accordingly we go to the mail. You will receive such a letter in your mail that you need to confirm your email address. Click and go. You can now upload your tracks and use your SoundCloud account. That's all. It was the Valar. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.